Hey, good evening, my friends and fellow hackers. I'm Brain Dead and I train every day, one try hacker, one new skill, always ethical. And by 30, I will be a professional hacker. So today is day 56 and I got Try Hack Me open. Not sure what room I'm gonna pick yet, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. Do want to give one shout out. I had a guy, his name's Leonard Coach from Frundle, and he left me a comment that said that I should make a summary video of everything I have learned and could do for the last 50 days. So I thought that was a great idea, and it's a great way to refresh my memory and kind of reinforce some of the topics I've learned over the last 56 days. Now, I'm not going to do today. I'm going to plan that for this weekend, but look forward to that, guys, because I think that'll be a pretty helpful video. It should be an informative one. So that's the game plan for this weekend, and let's just hop right into it and find a room. All right, we are doing farewell. This room recently just got released on Try Hack Me. I think it might even be like 2 or 3 days old. Use red teaming techniques to bypass the WAF and obtain admin access to the web application. And that WAF obviously stands for Web Application Firewall. So it's going to be a little harder to get into their web application with that firewall in play. The farewell server will be commissioned in less than 24 hours. Everyone is asked to leave one last message, but the admin panel holds all submissions. Can you sneak into the admin area, and read every farewell message before the lights go out? And I'm looking for 2 flags. What is the flag after logging in as a normal user? And what is the flag after logging in as admin? So let us boot up my terminal and start digging. I'm going to connect to Try Hack Me with an open VPN. Make that bigger. Let's go into Try Hack Me and let's make a new directory real quick called Farewell. Cool, nice. We're now nice and organized. And now I have an automated script that we're going to try to quickly get the initial enumeration out. So what is this? 10/2/01/1885. And we're going to run this script, and we're going to quickly just look at what it's... Oh, my goodness. Please go away. I will resume the video once the script is complete, or, you know what, I'll just leave it, just in case you guys are curious. It has found what appears to be 5 ports, but only 2 of them are real. It's just 22 and 80. I think this just representing those ports. It does do a quick check to see what services are running on those ports, and it looks like we found a web port. Obviously, because we have a web application firewall, we expected to find a web port on port 80. Since we found a web port, I'm just doing some extra fingerprinting to detect any operating system, maybe like Apache or whatnot, just to see if there are any OS vulnerabilities. In this case, I don't think we'll find that. We have a Nikto scan running as well, just for some extra searches. Here, we could do a Google real quick to see what Nikto does. It is an open source command line used to scan web servers for vulnerabilities like dangerous files, outdated software, and server configuration errors. And that might be exactly what we need right now to infiltrate this web server. So we are just waiting for that to complete. And then I don't know exactly what's after this one, but I will resume the video once we have all of the results collected and we can review together what was found. Okay, I'm just mildly impatient and it appears to be either stuck on Nikto or I don't know what it's doing, but I figured I'm just going to go to the web server and see what's going on, and then whenever this finishes, we can take a look at the files that were generated afterwards. So I got at the top here, looks like we got some usernames. Nora posted a message. You got a sign-in screen. And I really want to look at my Ferox Buster just to see what it's found. Oh, we gotta check that JavaScript here. Let's open up the page source. And let's take a look at what this says. One last message from the old dashboard. Servers decommissioned in 24 hours. Duplicate items for continuous scroll. Adam posted a message. Deliverer LL, or is that 1-1? Deliver 11 posted a message, and Nora posted a message. Now I'm just gonna open up my notes and start taking some notes on those usernames. Okay, and we have made a note of those 3 usernames. And let us take a look at the prize here, which is check.javascript. So let's see what this reveals. Login form, and we're just associating it with an ID. ID. Okay, cool. Hint, none, blah, blah, blah. Show alert, okay. Show hint. Hintbox.innerHTML. Hint. What is this expression? JavaScript. What is the comparison? What is it? Variable. Unbelievable. I'm just gonna do this. Maybe this could be enlightening. I just don't know what the expression is trying to calculate out to. I've never seen it. Okay, I'm about to ask. I really want to ask ChatGPT, but I kind of need some sort of understanding of how the expression works. JavaScript. What does var? So the syntax is a ternary operator, a shorthand if-else expression. Oh. So if hint is true, return hint. Else, no hint provided. Okay, that's super simple. That was actually very easy. So if there's a hint, provide the hint. If not, don't provide the hint. Now, what's going on here? Okay, finally. Non-zero. Alright, now it's doing the Ferox Buster. We're going to auth.php. I might be able to burp suite this. But copying what it's providing me, honestly. Data redirect to dashboard on success. If data and data.error equals auth failed, show the return hint if present. If data user and data user.password.hint, show hint invalid password against the user, else invalid username and password. I don't know what's going to happen here for the AI segment. I don't know if I've illustrated this or scripted it correctly. Oh, no fucking way. I can't believe that actually gave me a response. That's pretty cool. Let me see what the AI model has predicted based on the results. Web server running on port 80 is Apache, which is vulnerable to multiple known exploits. You can use Metasploit or search for blah, blah, blah. Great. Awesome. So the website has an insecure directory structure. Folder enumeration may reveal sensitive files. All right. Might be vulnerable to fuzzing. Okay. Now, I gotta also take this with a grain of salt because I don't know how the website might be vulnerable to SQL injection. How does it even know that? Brute forcing, low. There is no SMB. Let's take a look, guys, together. Let's go to recon. Let's go to this. And that AI is Llama. I set up a AI at the end of this to process my results and then kind of give me a general path to penetration test it. So let's just take a look at Ferox first. What the hell? What? Did we get junk? Oh, there we go. So what did we find? We found a check.javascript. Cool. Do we have... I mean, I kind of feel like this might just be manipulating the login to try to find the hints. However, I'm going to read through what I've just found just in case. It could be of value to us. Nicto. What did Nicto find? It's not the mime. When junk is going to cause false positives. Get admin.php allows remote admin access to PSP. It should be CCVE. I don't think I can get to this. Oh, that's cool. Output from the PHP info was found. Man, this found a lot of stuff. Info.php. I don't know how this could be helpful for me, but it's information, that's for sure. Okay. Remote file inclusion from RSNX RFI list. Remote file inclusion. Sheesh. Talk about what is a remote file? I'm totally getting sidetracked right now based on all these results I have, but now I'm kind of curious about what is that? Are these all the values that it was I don't think those were the values. No chance. I'm gonna scroll down just to see if man, there's a lot of info. Remote address. How does it know that? My cookie, server host, Mozilla, server name, server address. My goodness. I wonder if I could get in through this little back door at this point. This seems like very CCWE. Well, we found a lot about the system just off of that. I wasn't expecting that. What is remote file inclusion? Can you remote file inclusion into a remote shell? Reverse shell is what I wanted to actually. Why not? Why not try it? I mean, I don't think this is going to work. This is obviously not the path of the room. It's kind of fun. Let's see if this works. Where's my... What was the room I did yesterday? Sequence? Jesus Christ, it's here. It's like buried now. LSC, recon, 10. Alright, we got shell. I'd be amazed if this works. I don't think it's gonna work. But it'd be pretty fun if it does. HTTP 10.6.56.192 shell.php. Boop. Aw. Maybe I just did it wrong. I've never done something like this in my life. At least not, dang. I wonder how this works. I'm totally just messing around, but why not? I mean, let me just try another. I'm just kind of interested, really. Page equals Etsy password. Why not? Let's try it. Oops. Etsy password. I just don't know where it's gonna be at. Oh. Yeah, I just don't know where it would be at. I think I gotta look for www-data. I'm definitely seeing that, but no Etsy password. Unless I do a little well, I'm gonna stop and continue with the room, but that definitely was very interesting. And you just gotta reverse shell directly, or just get a reverse shell directly, like. All right, one more, just one more. Enable text, but the data only applies for PH2, but providing a script. What was it? Wait. Let me, this seems pretty severe, too. Man, I know I could do it. I just don't know how. That's even what I'm thinking, too. It's just... Come on. Which one was it? Let me try again. PHP HTTP 10.6.56 192 8000 shell.php. Dang. All right, let's return back to reality here and go back to the room. I managed to play around with that again for 15 more minutes just to see if I could get some RFI. But I think the output might be sanitized, or there might just be some... If the server has allow URL F open on, or allow URI include off, then, I can't proceed. It won't execute. So let's just turn on my proxy, and we're going to try to Try to sign in here with yep. Let's log it as Nora and see what happens. Let's send a repeat. Lucky number 789. Okay. I guess I'll just make a note. And we're going to test out all the people here. Okay. Who was the other user? Deliver 11. Send. Capital of Japan followed by digits. Okay. And let's look at Adam. Favorite pet +2. So am I supposed to guess these passwords or? The year plus a kind send-off is the admin password. Okay. I don't know why I typed mod in. I don't think we get anything. Auth failed. So we easily could tell like who a user is, it seems. So I wonder if I could just do a fuzz and do a quick length just to see if I could find any other user that might be not listed. So I think that might be my best bet here. Okay. Oh. Okay, rather than enumerating all the users, they actually gave me all the users. So let's take a look at the notes here. So favorite pet +2. The year plus a kind send-off. Capital of Japan followed by 4 digits. Lucky number 789. So it looks like we have to fuzz this. So the capital of Japan is Tokyo. I could have just turned off my so Tokyo, and we're just gonna fuzz this. So I'm gonna disable my. I could probably disable proxy as well. Repeater. We're gonna just forge the same request here, and I want to do what was it? Deliver? Yeah. Okay, capital Japan. So what we could do is we could do a fuzz. So let me pull up my notes here for fuzzing. Nope, not that one. Here, do a W. I know I have a fuzz with a username in it. No. User equals fuzz. I suppose I'll just generate one. Okay. Where is it? www. Blah blah blah. I just had it. Okay. I'm gonna use this one. So we're gonna make a fuzz here. So we're going to fuzz u HTTP 10.185. Word list. I actually need to make a sequence here. I need to make a sequence. Or 4. Okay. No. Sequence. 000 9999 to word list. I don't think I did that right. Never mind. I did it perfectly. Let me just mouse pad it real quick. Word list. Because I want to. Nope. Make 4 digits. Four 0 1 2 3 2 2 2 2 2. I could have just did this 4 to be honest, but that seems like a pain in my ass. Specifies the minimum and maximum length of the string to generate exactly. Defines the character set to be used. I mean, that sounds super easy. Crunch 4 4 1. That's super sick. I'm copying that. Rooms. Where is what is this room even called? I have so many rooms at this point. What is this? Farewell. Okay. Created a word list. So let me just mouse pad it real quick. Make sure we're good. Excellent. That's exactly what I want. Okay. Let's go back to my fuzz here. We're going to 10.201.18.5. Word list equals word list dot lag. Perfect. Let me pull up my fluff again. Oh, beautiful. There we go. Word list. Is this a post request? It's a post. Post D. I need to put this somewhere I could actually read it. Come on. Who is calling me? Nope. D. Username equals deliver 11 and password equals. What was the hint again? Let me look back at the see what the hint was. Farewell. Capital of Japan. So the only thing I don't know is if it's a capital. I'm just gonna put Tokyo, just like that. Fuzz. And hopefully that works. I don't know if it will. I don't really. Whatever. I'm gonna put my user agent in. Let's copy this. Nice. That didn't even include the M. What else should I put? Should I change to refer? Oh, content type. I definitely got probably put content type. Let me put that. Is that another dash H? Content type application. Okay, so I'm missing something. Oh. That's terrible. It's not gonna work. Delete, 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 delete. Let's see what happens. So the objective is that we want the password to basically be Tokyo and fuzz, and it's just my word list that I have, which is just 0000, 0001, 0002, 003, etc. until we find his password. Oh, wait. I gotta change the URL to auth.php. That's what we're posting into. That's probably why that's not executing. Right, HTTP 10.201.1885/auth.php. We're using the word list. That's a post request. D, that should be this. Username equals deliver 11. And password equals Tokyo Fuzz. Dash H, we put the... I wonder if they make an adjustment here. Let me make an adjustment. Remove word list. Numeric Tokyo. And this is how you change the number. So numeric, just mouse pad word. Okay, excellent. Let me copy that command. Let me actually paste. Oh my god, no! Don't tell me I have to type this whole command again. I don't think I'll have to. I think I have the previous command written somewhere. Thank goodness. Oh my god, I did not want to write that again. Let me put this. Nope. Okay. And let's change word list to word.text. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see what happens now. 10/2/01/1885. Username, deliver 11. Tokyo Fuzz. I'm not getting any response back. Well, wait. I need to actually change my request here. My password has to be now that I made the modification to the word list, I can actually just go boop 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 boop. And that's password equals fuzz. Now are we good? I'm about to redo the command. I'm gonna retype the command fresh. Okay, let me redo the command. I think that's just this. Yeah, maybe easier. 10/2/01/1885 auth.php x post username equals deliver. Is that deliver 11 or deliver LL? That's deliver 11. Okay, definitely deliver 11. And password equals fuzz. Let's get my user agent over here. which is just, should I do quotation marks? Does it matter? I'm actually just gonna try it just like this, just see if it processes anything. I'm about to try normal fuzz if this doesn't work, because I don't know what the hell's happening here. Let's just do that. I'm doing a normal fuzz. So right off the bat, we're calling out word.text. Where is the u auth.php x post d username equals deliver one and password equals fuzz. We good now? I don't know if it's even working. Oh, are we good? Oh, I'm getting errors. Errors 40. Okay, so I'm gonna try to put back my user agent just to see if, I don't know, I don't really know why it's not working. Is this a header? That's definitely a header. Okay, header. It's 86, 64, RV 140. I should have copied this, to be honest. Okay. Now, I have 40 threads going, apparently. The user agent looks like it's stuck. It's a post request. Errors 40, errors 80. I just want to, let me try it with W fuzz. I just don't, if it could give me a response code, that'd be nice. I don't know if I have to update this. Maybe that's why my W fuzz isn't working. Update. I don't know what the hell this means. Bad usage, you must supply a payload. I feel like I have to update this. Whatever. So So we're trying to fuzz this, but I'm not getting lucky. Oh, can I not even get to the site? Bruh. Is that why? Is that why none of my responses are working? I can't even get to the site. Of course. This is nuts. Like, come on. Unless I have proxy on. I think that actually might be the problem. Do I have... Oh, no, I don't. Disable this. Turn it on. So it's saying to mask my IP address with this. I don't know if it'll work because I don't even have connectivity to the machine at the moment, for whatever reason. What is this room called? Farewell. 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 Okay, let me figure out what's going on with this room. Ping 10211885. Come on. I always crash the rooms. I don't know what to do when I crash the rooms besides restart it, which kind of sucks. But, like, what else am I supposed to do? We'll be back once I get this room going. Alright, we are running it back. I wonder if I could just... There we go. So that way we can actually see what I'm doing. Alright, we're gonna try to... We're gonna try to fuzz this again. 201 77 26. Please. Please. Please do something. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. It's 200, 200, 200. Okay. Okay. So at some point, it starts getting denied. And it's obviously the web access firewall. So that's actually why I put... Whoa. That's why I put the x dash forwarded for. If I could change that every 10. Oh, that's cool. I never knew you could use 2 different word lists. So... Okay, I'm gonna try this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is that 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So crunch 9, 9. Maybe that'll work. I don't know. 127. That's what is that? That's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 11. Should I do 11? Or do I do 9, 11? And then IP text? I have no fucking idea what I'm doing here. That seems like a lot of lines. Wait. Mousepad IP.text. Jesus Christ, I clearly did that wrong. Oh my God. Please. All right. I get it. I did it wrong. Please. Please close. Oh. You know why? I forgot to put the keyword numeric. IP.text. I think that will be way better. Yeah, it says generating. Okay, now if I do a mouse pad, dude, it was giving me like, yeah, and I'm pretty sure these IPs should work. Oh, it's going all the way up to like, we'll just, oh my God, come on. We'll just go to, because I mean, oh my God, can it like, I think there's an easier way to do this. Bruh. Dude, go! This is frustrating. Okay. That was frustrating. Mouse, iPad, that text. No. Oh my God. Go away. Just this close. Just close. Okay. I don't care. I'm just gonna run with that. I don't care. What are the odds it's gonna take that many IPs to break into this? Where's my fuzz? No, there we go. And I could just use a fuzz 2 apparently. Do I put a comma at this, or do I just do another -W? Let me see. I just do another -W. So we're going to do IP.text and twos, I believe is how to do it, right? Oh, no. I literally just type fuzz and then I just do like that. Okay, let me copy this command so I have it in my records. Okay. Let's see what happens. Ooh, nice. We're getting a lot of 200s. Damn. Maybe I will need some more IPs. I wonder if I could cap max it or something at 255. Okay, while that does that, let me just see if, because I don't know how Tokyo won. Dude, what? Oh, that's not doing how I want to do it. It's actually doing the opposite of what I wanted to do. It's doing all the IP addresses first, and now, oh my god. Stop. -M. Should we specify pitchfork attack mode? I need to do a -M. I'm just gonna look up what -M is. Come on. This thing drives me mad. Go. Alright, what is -M? -M. It's called pitchfork mode, but I just don't. Oh my god. Why is this so difficult to find right now? Whatever. I know that's now are we good? Yeah, now it's good. -M. Did one work? Oh, I went through 1,000 IPs already. It looks like they all 200 though, which is pretty funny. So I guess it's obviously not looking to see if it's a valid IP address. So what I'm gonna do then is maybe I'm not. Jesus Christ, what is going on right now? I don't know if my terminal's messed up or if... Don't even know. I can't even erase that quick. So instead, let's do crunch again. 11, and I need to use the right numeric T 127.123.123. I'm going to paste that to IP.text. And I could just do IP, just to make another one. Is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, it's 13. 13. Okay, let's do that with a bigger word list. And we're going to call this a... Okay, let's see if that fixes that. Because I reached the limitation at some point. What the hell? You know what? I need to probably... What I probably need to do is, oh, did it actually finish? Oh my god, this is making me lose my mind. Why is it glitching like this? Alright, we are back. I had to restart the VM. Okay, we're gonna go back to farewell recon. Okay, let's try this again. Word. We're gonna call that out. And put the URL in to 177.26 auth PHP. It's a post request. Username equals deliver 11 and password equals fuzz. Did I put pitchfork? I need to put pitchfork mode on, which was -m zip. Let's put a user agent. And I don't have Burp Suite open anymore. User agent. Mozilla 5.0, X11, Linux, X64. I just have these for my notes. I was recording notes while doing this, so I don't have to lose the command or look it up again. And we have an X forwarded for to change our IP address. What else do I need? What else? I need a ignore length of 152. Ignore length 152 W fuzz. Oh, I have the specified line. Okay. --HH 152. Hopefully that should only show me the correct option. Did it break? 1011? Are we good? I don't know if it broke or not, or if that was... I'm gonna try 1011. Deliver 11. 1011, please. Nope. Okay, let me try it again. It must have glitched out or something. Oh, no, but it gave it to me again, but 45 characters when it... Yeah, I got it again. So, is that not the password? Tokyo 1011. Sign in. Deliver 11. Is that not the name? I wonder if I do this for the burp request. Let me burp it. Yeah. I think that's what I have to do. That's probably why it's not working. Because maybe the web access firewall is doing something. I should probably mimic my fuzz. It's Tokyo. Unless it's Tokyo 1010. Oh my god. Okay. Woo. Oh my god. I can't believe how hard that was. Jeez, dude. It was mainly hard just because my stupid machine just kept crashing. That's day 56, my friends. So the admin message is below. Hey everyone, thank you for your valuable feedback. The server will be decommissioned soon. Wishing you all the best ahead. It's really nostalgic. Okay. Status pending review. Baloney. Oh, okay. Let's do that. Script. Alert 1, 2, 3. Alert. You don't have permission to access this page. WAF is active. Huh? What does that mean? Is it because I knew I did that, or? Maybe I have to do, like, Python request, or not Python request, oh, jeez. Let me see. I think what was the other room I did? I think it was sequence. I don't know if it was sequence where I did a cross site. Let me see. Yeah. Script. Image source equals 8,000 Steeler cookies. So the way we know that our cookie, so the HTTP only flag is very important here, and that's what lets us know that a cross-site scripting attack is possible. So where is this? Farewell. Where is it? Oh, okay. So I'm guessing that word is blocked. Let me see some other common. Let's filter evasion sheet. That's awesome. That was convenient. Google hacking database. What the hell is this? Oh, that's just that. I know what that is. I could easily Google that. I'd rather have this on my screen. So I think the word script is blocked. Yeah. Okay. Just find any of them that. Oh! But did that even do anything? Let me resend. JavaScript alert string from. That didn't even throw an alert though. Does this work? I mean, that works. What if I... on mouse over... plus... No, it's not plus. Where did my notes just go? So, sequence... plus document cookie. I wonder if those words are banned. Okay. I wonder if I could do like a base 64 to try to... not fetch. Fetch cookie with... Because we just get the admin cookie, I mean... We'll just be admin. I don't... Fetch... I don't know if fetch works. Pen test... Move. Cookie in the page, so insert to your cookie value. No. I want to cookie steal. Cookie hijacking. What? What could I feed it so that I could steal this guy's cookies? He's using a function called eval. Oh. Body on load. execute a specified script or function when the entire content has been fully loaded. Huh. Well, damn. So, tab? Are you kidding me? Okay, so that's how you decode in base 64. Okay, so I learned 3 commands just now. So let me make notes of what I just learned. What was this? Farewell. Okay. So we learned 3 commands. We have body on load equals, and then blah blah blah. So what does this one do? This is how you load the script. Okay. Next, eval. And this just evaluates the code, it looks like. So this is Python. Oh no, it's including JavaScript. Takes a string as its first argument. I should probably, and returns its completion value. Okay. And of course, a tab decrypts base 64. So I think I could probably just do what the image. I could just do exactly what I was gonna do before, to be honest. Base 64 encode. Let's pull up sequence. No, go away. Sequence. Okay, script bar image equals new image. Image.source equals me. Steal your cookies, bitch. Plus document.cookie script. Okay, and that's our base 64. We're gonna keep hosting that. Now we gotta make the payload. So I'm pulling because there's shit up there. This is farewell. Farewell. And we're first gonna do I guess we can just do it in here. We're gonna do a body on load equals, okay, and now we call eval, and from inside eval we copy this to decrypt it, and then we just include my base 64. Nice. And do I do anything? Oh, I gotta close up my eval. So that's, oh, okay. I also gotta close out the, there we go. Let me copy that to get the final payload. And if all makes sense, I should get a message. Bruh. Are you kidding me? How the hell am I supposed to figure this out? What if okay, that's slightly smaller. Okay, what was this payload? Body onload equals eval. Boom, 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 boom. Is that the? Is it doing it again? Oh, did it execute? What just happened? What just happened? Because I didn't get a ping back. What just happened? What? Test? I don't know what just happened. I don't understand. Why didn't... Huh. Body onload equals eval. Paste. Close. Close. Quotations. Close. Send? No? Is it too big? I think it's too big. Still. Okay. So... I gotta get that way smaller. I think I could just probably do a... Maybe that's short enough character count. But what? Dang, that's exactly 100. Can I get away with just not doing script? I don't really know. Maybe I could do a fetch. I'm gonna try it. I'm just gonna try this. Did that encode? There we go. Let's see. What do we got? 76. Maybe? Hopefully. Equals eval. Great. Great. Amazing. Great. Great. Please. Please execute. How do I keep hitting the counter? Okay, let me do this. Body onload equals eval. And Okay. I need to get this even smaller. Fetch. 10, 656, 192 plus docking.cookie. Oh. I don't know if that's a real command. I think that syntax is messed up. Is that good? We got 90 this time, but I just don't know if that syntax is correct. Well, obviously it was not. So, let me get some extra help. Just so I can wrap this room up. I literally forgot to put this and oh, do I really need a slash? I think this is gonna be too long. I literally don't know how I can make this any smaller, to be honest. Oh. Please? Oh my god, dude. Finally. Woo. Let's go. So I'm actually gonna do this. We're gonna erase that shit. Okay. And we're gonna copy this command. Oh, jeez. So, now that I have his cookie, boom, boom. What's that? Close that. Close this. And now, for the moment of truth, cookies. Oops. And refresh. What was it? Admin? There we go. Okay. Oh, dude, that was a little long. It wasn't hard, thankfully, but that was long. That was fun though. We got to test our cookie stealing skills with a little cross-site scripting and a little like sanitation kind of brute forcing. We also managed to change our IP address a bunch of times to trick the web access firewall. Well, thank you guys for watching, and stick around for the next video tomorrow. Once again, this weekend I will have a recapitulation of my last 50 videos. So thank you guys. Bye.